In our trader rundown, Alan Knuckman joins me now to take a look at the trading day. And Alan, what do you make of these reports that the Fed is not likely to raise rates for the rest of the year? Do you buy that?
They're not. There's only a 50% chance that there could be a rate hike by, I think, November. So that's 50-50. It doesn't look so. And there's absolutely positively, never say never, but never, this week they're not raising rates.
They're not raising rates this week. Well, I think you probably can take that one to the bank, which you're here to talk about a bank stock. What's going on with Citigroup?
Well, I'm looking at Citigroup. You have to be patient. You have to be very selective because we've had such a big move, 15% off the bottom in stocks. And being optimistic and bullish as I am, I'm looking for unique opportunities. And I think the banks are still there. The banks are negative 2%. If you look at XLF compared to the market in general, the S&P is positive 2% plus. So the individual bank I'm looking at is Citigroup. Citigroup's trading between 56 was the high in November, 36 was the low in February, so we're right at that midpoint here, and it looks like if it can stay above 46, we can get a nice push up to 56 once again.
What would be your option strategy on Citi?
Well, there's a number of things that I like about Citi. So it's made $3.5 billion last quarter, so they're talking about how the banks aren't making money, but if you make $3.5 billion profit for the quarter, you can't complain about that. The PE ratio is 9. Looking at the options, looking at the $40 call, 40 was a support level, a breakout level here to this upside. The $40 call for September is trading at about 7.5, so the break even's only $1 higher. Got 5 months for good things to happen, and I'm looking for this stock to move up about 20%.
Ooh, that's a big move. Now, this is a huge week for earnings. Anything else on your plate as a trader?
Well, it's all about Apple, and it's about the psychology, and people quickly forget that Apple's quarter recently was the all-time best quarter for profits in the history of the market.
Blockbuster.
Right, but people now it's totally behind them, and it's what have you done for us lately? So that's going to set up the psychology, but about 25 or 30% of the S&P stocks report this week. So far, we've been doing pretty well, above 70% as far as beating expectations and above 55% on revenues. So earnings season's going okay with low expectations. We've played this game before.
Thank you, Alan, and have a great trading day.
Thank you.